Fáilte welcome to Irish by Design's SCT piano accordion collection. This collection is based on the SCT graded traditional Irish music series, designed to help you learn, enjoy and play Irish music with confidence. Enjoy the music. This is my interpretation of the tune called Scatter the Mud. It is recorded here in the key of D major and 6/8 time. A lively jig with a playful edge, full of lift and personality. Keep the pulse tight and steady, letting any ornaments pop lightly so the rhythm can stay crisp and buoyant. Usually played between 115 and 125 beats per minute.
And here's my five. Very well ahead of jurors across the region. It's been a big part of this inspiration to the World Cup.
If you'd like to follow the full SCT piano accordion collection, please subscribe to the channel and join me as we bring these beautiful Irish melodies to life, one tune at a time. Slán go fóill. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tune and we look forward to sharing more with you very soon. And remember, as always, Irish by design.